If you want to start spraying General Finishes products but are overwhelmed with spray gun options, here are some units to consider based on budget and production levels. Brands shown in this video are General Finishes recommendations, not paid sponsorships. Starting with this self-contained entry-level HVLP unit, the Erlax Super Finish Max offers affordability for the hobbyist or a pro doing detail work or a one-time project like kitchen cabinets. It costs around $100 and comes with a variety of tips. This sprayer will shorten project completion time and provide a smoother finish than brushing or rolling. The Erlax 5500 represents a move into portable HVLP turbine systems. It's a basic option if you want professional results on a low production or part-time basis and retails for around $300. These Apollo and Fuji units are a step up in turbine power. The guns are higher quality with more and finer adjustments. There are many turbine options to meet professionals' needs, with costs ranging between $700 and $2,000 or more. For shops with compressed air, there are many HVLP options which have the ability to adjust air pressure. Some guns are made strictly for compressed air, like this Qual Spray brand. Many turbine guns, such as these Apollo and Fuji models, can be converted from turbine to compressor use. When professionals outgrow HVLP sprayers, air-assisted airless units are the next level up for high-quality, large-scale fine finishing. GF uses this Kremlin EOS in our spray booth. Air-assisted airless units are useful for spraying pails or drums of product quickly and efficiently, with prices starting at $2,000 depending upon power and usage. Sprayers are a must for increased productivity and a better quality finish. The return on investment can be accomplished in just one job. General Finishes is dedicated to using the highest quality ingredients in all our products, while testing and advancing our water-based finishes with leading-edge technology. Compare GF primers, pigmented finishes, stains, and top coats at generalfinishes.com. Then visit our Where to Buy page to find a retailer near you. General Finishes. We make tomorrow's finishes today.